songs here.
We're trying to see Dolly Parton.
How long have you been queuing for?
My whole life.
Yeah! Tá ára ní cultíre arbí a sí Nashville an éit le de bhroglaide íri.
Like in the culture, really is punch away. It's not just a big bunny here.
If you want to write songs and be around the best songwriters in the world, this is the place to do it.
It's almost like the mecca for country music. Country music is having a mainstream moment.
There's a very strong love for any kind of music, actually, here in this town. If you sang on the stage, then you know you've made it. Of course. You've got to be ready. You got to pay your dues.
I wouldn't be here if you hadn't been there.
Onkel sport was organized na ramet non no alle genshin skiltis had dan slaughter hounds and grommet in Nashville.